More than 600 persons in Nigeria have been killed by the novel coronavirus since the disease known as COVID-19 broke out in December 2019 in the Wuhan city of China. qedtv takes a look at 4 prominent Nigerian politicians who have died of COVID-19. Top on the list is Abba Kyari, the late Chief of Staff to President Muhammadu Buhari. Mr. Yari died on April 17 in a private medical facility, First Cardiology Consultants in Lagos. Buhari had known Kyari for 42 years, as depicted during his tribute to the latter. Kyari was buried on April 18 at the military cemetery in Gudu, Abuja. About a week before he tested positive for the coronavirus, he was in Germany for a meeting with Siemens officials on a deal to restore Nigeria's electricity grid. Kyari was described by many as having great influence in the presidency. He is survived by his wife, Kulu, and 4 children. Abiola Ajimobi. The 2-term governor of Oyo State, Abiola Ajimobi, died on June 25 of multiple organ failure arising from COVID-19 complications. Mr. Ajimobi died aged 70 at the same facility in Lagos where Kyari passed on. Although appointed acting chairman of the All Progressives Congress (APC), his appointment was marred with controversies which eventually ended in the dissolution of the APC National Working Committee. Ajimobi was buried on June 28 in his Oluyole Estate residence in Ibadan, Oyo State capital. His widow, Florence, made scathing remarks about the Oyo State government led by Seyi Makinde, saying they abandoned Ajimobi in his final days. Wahab Adegbenro, Ondo State Commissioner for Health, Wahab Adegbenro died from COVID-19 complications on June 2 at the state's infectious diseases hospital. He died 2 days after handing Governor Rotimi Akeredolu's positive coronavirus test results to him. Before venturing into politics, Adegbenro ran his hospital in the state, where he provided low-cost health care to many residents. He was buried on July 3 in Akure. Bayo Oshinowo. Before his death, Bayo Oshinowo, popularly known as Pepe, was a senator representing Lagos East Senatorial District. Senator Oshinowo, though diabetic, died on June 15 from complications arising from coronavirus. He was aged 64. Oshinowo was a 4-time member of the Lagos State House of Assembly before his election in 2019 to the Senate to replace Gbenga Ashafa.